That's the live tool. That's the dog that drives it, and the gearbox behind it. Live tooling, there it is, baby. That's the live tooling driver. Making the Armiston spuds that you made in 19... Goes up, then it opens that door. It makes this slide go down and parts go into the door. When you're done in the program in production, you have an M37. Goes back down. It's got the chip conveyor, or not chip conveyor, chip auger, which you gotta have for a lathe, and 12 position turret. All the round ones that you see there are all for live tooling. This is the first time that that bends holder has even been used. The back opened up. I wanted to show you how clean this thing is. Lockheed Martin owned this machine, and a company called Retech that they owned over in Ukiah, and extremely clean, man. I've just never, not too many hours really on it. This is the large gear for the C-axis that drives the C-axis, and then below it are the 3 belts down here that drive the spindle. That's the C-axis motor. So